Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain 4.1 of Unit 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Okay. Now in the last video I have explained what is point, what is line, line segment and ray. Coming to here exercise 4.1, first question. Based on that geometrical basic line segment ray, this exercise is based on. First, join the points given below. Name the line segments so formed in the figure. If you see the first one, A, B, C are given, right? So they are asking you to join the points. So when you join here, A to B, A to C and B to C. Okay. So how many line segments are formed here? 3 line segments. And they are asking name the line segments. Okay. So here the line segments are AB. So compulsory you need to write the symbol up. So it is represented as line segment AB, next BC and AC. So you can write AB as BA, BC as CB and AC as CA. You can write in any way. So the 3 line segments are AB, BC and CA. Okay, and what is the figure formed here? The figure formed is triangle. You know, a line segment figure is a closer figure with 3 line segments is called a triangle. So these are the line segments for the first figure. Coming to second one, they gave 5 points here, P, Q, R, S, T. Now we are going to join here P, Q, Q, R, R, S, T, T, P. So how many line segments are formed here? If you see the figure, it is 5-sided polygon, right? So it is having 5 sides. So what are the line segments here? PQ, QR, RS, ST and TP. So 5 line segments. So what is this figure known as here? The figure formed is pentagon. So it is 5-sided figure and it is a closed figure. So when the closed figure with 5 sides, we call it as pentagon. Second question, name the following from the figure. Here the figure given as A, B, C, D and these 2 are the diagonals. Here they are indicated with arrow marks. So we have to write arrow marks, both sides arrow mark as line and its 2 end points as a line segment and one side arrow mark is given as ray and the points are called points. Here first one, any 5 points from the figure. See, I am going to write all the points whatever is there in the figure. So it is very clear that point A, point B, point C, point D and point O. Only 5 points are there. Yes. So only 5 points are there in the figure. So I have written A, B, C, D and O. Coming to any 5 line segments. Here if you observe, line segment is a part of a line and it is a part of a ray also. If you observe from A to B, it is one line segment. So AB is one line segment, next BC, next CD, next DA. 4 sides are the 4 line segments. If you observe here, A to C from end points, AC is also one line segment, next B to D is also one line segment and still we can write, see if you observe OB, OA, see only I am taking from points here, end points. So here OA, OB and OC and OD, these are the line segments from the given figure, right? Because line segment is a part of a line and it is a part of a ray also. Next, coming to third one, any 3 rays. What is ray? A ray is a part of a line, extends only in one direction and it has one end point. If you observe from OA, see here is the end point, it is extending. Here arrow mark is given. So can I write OA, ray OA? Here this point is end point is at O and extending point is at A. Now next OB, ray OB. Next ray OC. Next ray OD. So any other rays in the figure children? Only 4 rays you are going to get here. Next coming to lines. What is line? A line extends endlessly in both the direction with no end points. Means line is always represented with the two arrow marks on the both ends. If you see the figure AC, see arrow marks both sides. So it is represented like AC line, AC. Next coming to other line, you are going to get line BD. So there are only two lines in the given figure. Next, third question. How many lines can be drawn through this one point and two distant points? Make a rough figure for your answer. So here 1 point. Here this is a point, children. So how many lines can be drawn to 1 point? So how you know? If suppose this point is O. So how many lines can be drawn? See, I am drawing one line like this. And here one line. Line means with both arrow marks. Here one line. So these are the lines, okay. So can you see now how many lines can be drawn to single point? We can draw infinite number of lines. So answer is what? Infinite number of lines can be drawn, okay, through 1 point. So what about the second one, children? Two distinct points. Two distinct points means, see this points, 2 points. So using these 2 points, how many lines can be drawn? See, I can draw only one. Can I draw any other line using the 2 distinct points? No. So what is the answer? Only one straight line can be drawn. Only one line can be drawn through 2 distinct points. Is that clear? Next, fourth question. Which of the following has a definite length? Here definite length means what? Fixed length. Okay. Now line is having fixed length? No. Point is not having any length only. Next, line segment. Yes, it is having fixed length. And what about ray? Ray does not have a fixed length. So what is the answer, children? A line segment. Line segment has a definite length. Okay. Next, coming to fifth question. How many end points do the following have? So line segment is having how many end points here? 2 end points. It is having 2 end points. It has fixed length, so it is having 2 end points. Coming to ray. Ray has how many end points? Only 1 end point. Okay. Another point is what? Extending point. You know how to represent line with 2 end points. And coming to ray. Ray is but 1 end point and 1 extending point. And coming to line, no end points. So line can extend in both the directions. It does not have any end points. Next, sixth one, write true or false. In the first one, a line has no end points. Yes, line is represented how, children? This is the line and arrow marks indicate that it extends on both sides. So line has no end points. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. And coming to ray, ray is a part of a line. Yes. See, from here if I take A and B, if I draw like this with 1 end point and another extend point, and it is called a ray. Here ray is a part of a line. It's true. Ray is a part of a line and line segment is also a part of a line. Coming to next one, a line segment has no definite length. See, this is a line segment with 2 end points. It is having definite length or not? Yes, it is having. But here question is a line segment has no definite length. So here it is false. Line segment has definite length. Okay. Next, a line segment has only 1 end point. See, line no end points. And for ray 1 end point. For line segment 2 end point. Here a line segment has only 1 end point. So it is false. How many end points line segment have? 2 end points. Coming to next, we can draw many lines through a point. Yes, in the third sum we have discussed if it is a point, how many lines can be drawn tracing passing through point? Infinite. So we can draw many lines through a point. Yes, it is true. Next, seventh question. Draw and name line containing point P. Here, line means what? Here, with the two arrow marks indicates what? Line. Okay, line containing point P. On the line, you somewhere you keep point P, and it is what? Line containing a point P. That is the diagram. Next one, line passing through R. Same. This is a line, and if you draw anywhere point R, then it is a line passing through R. So by this sum, we completed 4.1 exercise.